In this video, you will learn the key things you need to know to get started with Compass Bridge, our contact center app. We're going to discuss 3 topics: how to answer, hold, unhold, and hang up incoming calls. What is attended transfer call and how does it work? What is unattended transfer call and how does it work? Let's start. How to answer, hold, unhold, and hang up incoming calls. Click on the green answer button marked with the phone icon in the call card to answer the incoming call. You can hold a call by pressing the pause button on the call card. To unhold a call, press the pause button again. To hang up a call, press the red hang up button on the call card. What is attended transfer call and how does it work? After answering a call, start a transfer by clicking on the arrow button on your active call card. A model appears which lists all the contacts in your organization. Click on the person you wish to transfer the call to. Press the Transfer Attended button. Call cards for the original call and the consultation call appear in the transfer model. Click on the call card and then click on the Transfer the call to finish transferring. What is an attended transfer call and how does it work? After answering a call, start a transfer by clicking on the arrow button on your active call card. A model appears which lists all the contacts in your organization. Find the person you wish to transfer the call to in the list and click on it. Press the Transfer Unattended button. That was all for this video. You now know how to manage calls with Bridge.